Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the cool, fun summer pieces that I got for the season. So it's going to be a summer haul video. I haven't done this in a while. So if you want to see all the cool and cute, trendy summer pieces that I got, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the first item. This is a sage bodysuit from Meshkey. I really like the color of this bodysuit, and I also like the way it feels. It's very comfortable. These are some of the first pieces I actually purchased from Meshkey, and I am just pleasantly surprised by the quality of the brand. So if you guys haven't heard of Meshkey, it's this Australian brand that I found about on Instagram. So definitely check it out because their items are really good quality. I mean, this bodysuit, it's pregnant girl friendly. I mean, as you guys can see, it's holding my bump really well. I just love how it feels. It's very soft, very comfortable, and the color is just absolutely beautiful. So I am pairing it right now with this Paloma long shorts from Meshkey as well. These are also sage pants, and they're just very comfortable. These will be perfect for lounge wear at home, and also just shorts to wear if you're running out and doing errands. These are perfect for a pregnant girl. I mean, look at the space with the elastic around the waistline. It's just so comfortable and very, I don't know, it just feels very comfy. I went ahead and added this belt bag. I got this belt bag from Jluxlabel, and I just love how it's so versatile and easy to style with pretty much any outfit that you can rock in the summertime. I particularly like this bag with this specific outfit just because of how the colors contrast together. The sage, the white, and the gold. I think it's a perfect combination. And the cool thing about this bag is that you can choose to wear it as a belt bag or as a mini bag, you know, by itself like this. So it's pretty versatile and cute. Next item is this two-piece from Pretty Little Thing. I wore this outfit in Tulum on one of the nights out, and I just loved how it felt. It's been 3 weeks since I wore this outfit for the first time, and my belly has grown bigger than when I first wore it, so it feels a little bit tighter than when I first wore it. I can't even zip it up all the way, as you guys can see. But I will say that this is a pregnant girl friendly outfit just because it's very flattering. I did wear a strapless bra with the outfit. I just didn't want to go downstairs to put on a strapless bra, but when you put on a strapless bra, you don't have to worry about your bra showing like how mine is right now. I don't know, the strapless bra that I wore just basically covered everything, and it just showed cleavage, which is what you want. But this is a really cute outfit. It also has a slit at the bottom right here on the skirt, which is cute. But I will say this outfit, it's so hard to walk up the stairs in this outfit. It's almost impossible just because it's so tight, body hugging, and no breathing space, seriously, in this outfit. But it's cute, and you can take pictures in it and then take it off. I don't know, I just love how it feels on my body. And I love the sleeves. They're not too tight. There's a lot of free flow going on with them. And this is it. The next outfit is this cornflower blue ribbed sheer knit outfit. It is a two-piece, as you guys can see. Now, I got this from Meshkey as well, and on their website, they kind of market it as a bathing suit cover-up. If you see the models, they wear this over a bathing suit, but I honestly just prefer to wear this as an outfit by itself just because of how thick the fabric, well, it's not thick, but you know, the density of the fabric is not practical in a tropical area. You just sweat. So if you put this on as a bathing suit cover up, I don't know if, you know, if it will work well. So I just like to wear it as an outfit by itself. but I just really love how comfortable this is, especially if you're pregnant. It really hugs your belly really well, as you can see. First wore this outfit yesterday when we did our rehearsal dinner food tasting, and I don't know, the weather was perfect. It wasn't too hot, so it was, you know, a good outfit to take out in case it got cold later on. We were in the mid 70s, so the weather was perfect for, you know, a long sleeved outfit like this. So this is it, and it goes all the way down, so you guys can see. Second outfit is a rest strappy plunge ribbed maxi dress from Pretty Little Thing. I just love how this dress just hugs me in all the right places. It hugs the bump, it hugs my butt, it hugs my hips, it just hugs everything in place. Also, one thing I really like about pregnancy is just that natural boob job that you get. Like, my boobs are just so full, and dresses like this are very flattering on my chest area. This dress is such a cute summer dress, especially I can seriously see myself wearing something like this as a bathing suit cover up. If I'm wearing a two-piece that has that's strapless, the top is strapless, this would be a perfect cover up for a bathing suit. I do love it. I mean, these colors are very flattering on dark skinned girls anyways, so yes, what do you guys think? And it has a slit in the front, like right here, which I think is ideal because the dress is very tight and ribbed. Usually outfits and dresses that have ribbed fabric can be a little bit tight to walk in, so this slit right here in the front actually just makes it easy to kind of move around in the dress. So the next outfit features these champagne satin pants. These are from Pretty Little Thing. I can't say that word. And they go all the way to the feet. These pants, when I got them, I wasn't this big, so I can't really strap them. But they're very comfortable. If you are pregnant and you want to wear them, you can just get maybe 2 sizes up, and they'll just fit like a glove. They're just so comfortable. The satin fabric just feels so good on the skin. I did pair it with this handkerchief top from Shein. I actually wanted to pair the two together because the model on the Pretty Little Thing website dresses up like this. So I was looking for a handkerchief top like this. Pretty Little Thing didn't have it, so I looked for it and I found it on Shein. When I first wore this outfit in Tulum, I did not put a bra on. I wouldn't put a bra on anyways when I wear this because see how it looks weird in the back? So I wouldn't put on a bra. I'll just go kind of with it, you know, the way it is without a bra on. I feel like it's more flattering without a bra anyways. And then I also paired the outfit with this zebra chain handle shoulder bag. It's very cute, and it is, I don't know, it just complements the whole outfit. Next up is this leopard print one shoulder bodysuit from Jluxlabel. I just love how this thing just hugs me. Do you guys see? It hugs so well. Jluxlabel and Meshkey have really pretty bodysuits. They just fit so well. They feel like gloves and they're very comfortable and stylish. I'm going to pair this with these split hem pants from Pretty Little Thing. These are supposed to be high-waisted pants, but because of belly bump, we're gonna rock them like this. And at the bottom, they have a split hem. You guys can see that, which is cute. Split hem pants are just so in right now. To pair them with heeled sandals so you can kind of see your toes and see that split hem style. These are very comfortable pants. I just love this bodysuit. It's just so comfortable. Bodysuits are honestly a pregnant girl's friend, best friend. They're just comfortable and you can just style them anywhere you want. The next outfit is a Pecan Tory two-piece outfit from Jluxlabel. This outfit is just extremely comfortable, you guys. The fabric is perfectly stretchy, as you can see. It does not absorb a lot of heat and moisture, so it's a perfect summer look. You just have to wear heels just because the pants go all the way to the bottom, as you can see, so they're very flowy. And you don't want to sweep the floor with them, so you want to put on heels. Other than that, it's such a cute outfit. So I put on a strapless bra and I tucked the top underneath the bra, and then also, if you notice, like this part right here, it kind of reveals the bra, so I like to just grab the top flop and then just tuck it in here like this, you know, and then you have it like that. I don't know, it just makes me feel more comfortable and helps the girls look more secure when you do that, especially if you don't like when your bra is revealed. If it bothers you, this is perfect. And yeah. So the next outfit is a cutout bow linen mustard dress. This is a very comfortable dress just because it's made out of linen. Linen is always a comfortable fabric, and it's also perfect for summertime just because it's not too thick. And you guys can see like the belly is really popping out. The first time I wore this dress was in Tulum. I'll drop a picture for you guys. And it was a perfect dress. It didn't absorb a lot of heat. I feel comfortable in the dress, and my belly did not feel too tight, you know, when I put on the dress. So it's very comfortable. And I got it on sale from Nasty Gal. Outfit is a satin midi dress from Meshkey. I love the detail that this dress has in the back. You guys see that bow? It's so pretty, such an elegant detail, and I like how it has an open back as well. It's such a cute, pretty, sophisticated dress. This is what I wore on my bachelorette, so I don't know, I love it. I just love how you just feel like a lady in this dress, you know? It's just the elegance, the bow in the back. And I like that in the back, you don't have to really tie the bow. So it looks like this, and you just have to just go like that. And that's it. You don't have to really tie it. Just kind of let it flow like that. And the belly is comfortable. Not too tight, and you can adjust the straps based on your comfort. So I love it. Final outfit is this bodysuit by Jluxlabel. You guys can see and can tell I love my bodysuits. They're just so comfortable, honestly. When you're pregnant, they just fit right. They're pretty much the only thing that fits right when you're pregnant. Everything else is just doing a lot of working around with. I'm going to pair this bodysuit with these shorts from Meshkey. I wore this outfit in Tulum as well when I was actually doing my pregnancy reveal on Instagram. This is the outfit I wore. Very comfortable. These shorts, again, the fabric feels like the same fabric this the Sage bodysuit I had so comfortable, very comfortable. Oh my god, I could just wear this all day and I'll totally be fine. And do you see how it just hugs the body really well? I don't have a bra on just because when I wore strapless bra the first time with this bodysuit, I mean, you could just see it here. You can see it in the back. So I just feel more comfortable not wearing a bra. I still feel fine. But if you really want to put on a bra, then you can go ahead and probably put on the ones that stick at the bottom and kind of come up and don't have sides in the back. That depends on, you know, what bra you have. But if you don't want to put on a bra, I think this is just fine without one because it just hugs the boobs really well. So This is the final outfit. Very comfortable. Alright guys, this sums up this summer haul video. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed the pieces that I shared. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.